Now, this is not your typical vision board session where you cut out pretty pictures out of magazines and you make this cute collage and you hang it on your wall. So today we will be doing real vision boarding, which is about creating actionable, time bound goals that help you actually move towards the life you want. First, be sure to like and subscribe so I can continue to offer free coaching tools and benefits to this channel. I'm Coach Sharita Nash, and for over 25 years, I've helped thousands of people build stronger lives, careers, connections, relationships. I'm the author of the award winning Emotional Intelligence and Resilience Handbook, and I've led people focused work across many private sector and public sector organizations like NASA, BAE Systems, FedEx, and Enterprise Rent a Car. Bottom line, I'm a subject matter expert. I've seen what actually works and not something that just looks cute on the wall. So will actually do what works today. Quick reminder, before we start, download your own copy of this vision board template at www.acnestiscg.com/references. You are going to notice that this board is broken into specific life areas, and that's intentional. We are not just dreaming today, we are being strategic. Let's start over here with family and love. Now, this section is about the people closest to you and how you want those relationships to feel, not just exist. I want you to ask yourself, what kind of connection do I want more of? Where do I need healthier boundaries? Now, instead of creating vague goals for this section, here is an example of a SMART family and love goal. By the 15th of each month, I will intentionally call one friend I have not connected with that year to check in and reconnect for at least 10 minutes. Now, this goal is specific, it's realistic, and it's trackable. Let's move over to mental and physical health. This section is about how you feel in your body and mind. It is not about perfection, not punishment or unrealistic routines. What does your mental and physical health need to feed it for this next year? I want you to think about, how do I want my body to feel day to day? What supports my mental and emotional well being? Here's an example of a SMART mental and physical health goal. By the end of this month, I will move my body for 15 to 20 minutes 3 times per week using a planned activity such as walking, yoga, or maybe a home workout. Now, when you write your 3 goals here, remember to make sure that these goals are actionable, realistic, and trackable. Now, the spirituality section is about how you stay grounded, connected, and aligned, especially when life feels busy or overwhelming. It's not about perfection or performance, it's really about consistency and your intention. I want you to think about these questions. How do I reconnect when I feel off or distracted? And what practice helps me slow down and reflect when things feel heavy? Now, here's an example of a SMART spirituality goal. For the next 90 days, I will begin my day with 10 minutes of maybe prayer, meditation, or reflection 4 days per week. Now, this goal is once again specific, realistic, and trackable, and I want you to write your 3 goals for this section. The career and development section is about how you will grow professionally and build skills that support where you're going next. It is not about doing more, it's about being intentional and strategic about your next steps. So I want you to ask yourself, what skills do I need to strengthen this year? What growth will support me moving to my next level? So, what does that 2.0 or 3.0 look like for you in your life? Now, here's an example of a SMART career and development goal. For the next 90 days, I will schedule my certification exam and study for at least 1 hour, 4 days a week until the exam date. Now, take some time and write your 3 career and development goals. Now, this brings us to the final section, the finance section. This is all about how you manage, protect, and grow your money. So it supports your life instead of stressing you out. It's about awareness and consistency. Now, as you think about the goals you want to write for this section, ask yourself, what does financial stability look like for me? What habits would reduce my financial stress? Now, here's an example of a smart financial goal. On the 10th of each month, I will transfer $300 into my savings account until the end of this year. Once again, this goal is actionable, specific, realistic, and it's trackable. Now, think about this section closely, and I want you to write your 3 goals. Now that you've finished your vision board, to wrap this up, I want you to pick one day each month to check in on your goals. On that day, I want you to ask yourself what's working and what's not working. Maybe something needs to be adjusted because your goals are allowed to change as your life and priorities change. This is a living document and not a static contract. Last step, I want you to print this out and place it somewhere you will see it every day, like your bathroom mirror or your workspace, your desk, because visibility creates accountability and follow through. And that's it. If this helped you get clear and intentional about where you're going, be sure to share this link to this video with your family and friends because, hey, you want them to win too. So give them this tool as a gift. And I'll see you in the next video.